Welcome back to One-Footed Phoenix, everyone. I hope everyone had a good Christmas and you were able to spend time with family and friends. This year, for Christmas, my family decided to have a penguin-themed party, and we also made igloos where we made them out of marshmallows and frosting, and it was super fun. I'll have to show you guys all of those clips coming up. So it's been a while since I've done a long form video, and the reason being is that I needed time to recover and rest my body, so I wasn't able to make videos for you guys, but I'm back this week and excited to share with all of you. Today I'm going to be updating all of you guys on my health and how things have been going with the bisphosphonate infusions. So what are bisphosphonates and why are they helping me? So bisphosphonates are a drug that has been used in Italy, and it's a class family of drugs that have been used in Italy to treat CRPS. And in Italy, the trials for this drug went really well, and a lot of people were finding relief and finding hope with the bisphosphonates. The only problem is that Italy is very far away and it requires a plane ride and several $1,000s for 4 days of treatment. So, in order to receive the medication that I needed, I had to have my doctor find a legal way to give me the medication that I needed and to give me the medication within the bisphosphonate family. He had to find a legal way to do this as an experimental drug, and he found a way to legally give me the bisphosphonates. And I am incredibly grateful for this opportunity and this chance to try the bisphosphonates, because it's not something that most CRPS patients have, and it's not an opportunity that even a lot of amputees have to try. And so this bisphosphonate drug might be useful for people with CRPS and for people with phantom pain. I know for me, the doctor said that I probably had some lingering CRPS in my limb, and now that I am a few months into these treatments, it looks like all signs of the CRPS in that limb are gone and diminishing. And this is such good news because it means that hopefully very, very soon I'm going to be able to be wearing my prosthetic leg again and be able to start walking again. And that makes me really hopeful and really happy. The fact that I can hopefully start walking again is amazing, guys. And for me, that feels like a miracle in and of itself, of like, I'm not walking yet, but it feels like a miracle in the fact that I'm taking positive steps towards that goal. And since this video is going to be coming out on New Year's Day, I thought what better place than to reiterate some of my goals as an amputee and some of my goals for the future. Some of my goals for the future include the fact that I eventually want to run a 5K. I eventually want to get a running blade if possible, and I want to be able to run a 5K. I want to be able to run a 5K and raise money for CRPS, or complex regional pain syndrome, because this is the thing that took my leg. CRPS is an awful, unrelenting, unforgiving disease, and I really, really just want to give back to this community that has been there for me and that has let me in and has really helped me to feel like I'm not alone. I would love to be able to give back money, time, commitment, anything that I can to help other people suffering from CRPS. If you like this video, I invite you to smash that like button and help other people to discover this video. It really helps me to grow the channel when you smash that like button and hit subscribe. Thank you so much for everyone that does that every single week. You guys are amazing, and I love you guys. You can help me get the word out about the bisphosphonates being a drug that has worked for several amputees, not just myself. I know that it has worked for several people with CRPS as well, and I would love for you to share this video and help me get the word out. Be sure to follow me across social media to see other posts and short videos. There's also lots of photo posts that I don't post on YouTube on all of my other social media platforms. So make sure that you follow by clicking the links down in the description down below. If you would like to see the video that YouTube recommends for you, click over here, and we'll see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!